Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert normal video to green screen video using InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot and I'm going to create new project. I'm going to click on the video and tap on new. And here we have to select the blank background. Click on blank background and click on this check mark, and after that we're going to change this blank or this black background to green screen. I'm going to go to the background and I'm going to select green color. Okay, this one. Alright, and add the video you want to convert from the normal video to green screen. You can go to the PIP and then select your video. I'm going to add the video from this download folder. I'm going to choose this video. Okay, and I'm going to change the canvas. I'm going to go to the canvas and I'm going to select fit. Okay, then I'm going to adjust the video. Wait guys, I'm going to go to the PIP and then I'm going to click on this autofill button to fit the screen. Okay, and I'm going to extend this green screen or the screen background. Okay, then go back to the PIP and remove the background of this video. Tap on the video and select cutout, and you have to select cutout. Okay, and click on this check mark. And as you can see guys, that the video has been converted from normal video to green screen video. This is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to convert normal video to green screen using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.